Hi guys, this is Pranav and welcome to my lab.
Today I will show you how to open a Casio fx-82MS calculator, how to change and test the battery, the parts of the calculator, how to clean the internal circuitry and how to check the calculator.
If you love my video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's switch on.
This is my calculator Casio, and you can see this is fx-82MS Casio made calculator, and here is the rating: DC 1.5 volt, 0.0001 watt, that is 0.1 milliwatt, and there is a notation: use battery R6P or double size into 1. So we will open it and see how to change the battery or some maintenance. You can see this is okay, and now we open. There are 6 numbers of screw here, and we open it. So you open the case and you can see the internal circuitry of the calculator, and here the most glossy area, this is the main processor of the calculator, and this is the battery, positive and negative supply. This is the LCD display, and there are 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws here. Let's open it. So you can see the internal area. This is the main PCB, and these all are the keys or switch. While we press this switch, while we press this, then it hit here and the circuit works. This is the rubber padding, works as the switch, and you can see the dust. Let's clean it. You can see the LCD screen here, and this is the ribbon tape, and you can see the switch here. This is 0 and this is 5, all other switch. So while opening the calculator, is check the position of the each switch, then replace the padding well, then cover it the main circuitry. Here you can see the battery. Then let's check the voltage of the battery. So open this. This is a 1.5 volt double size battery. We take a multimeter and set the voltage DC for 20, and red lead to the positive terminal and black lead to the negative terminal. We can see the voltage is 1.51, that is okay, and we need not to change the battery. So place it again in the position of the battery. This is the negative side and this is the positive side. Then re-screw it. This is the screw. We place it again. We will test the calculator. First of all, press shift 7 and on together. You can see the display diagnostics AC, then press 9. You have to press fast. Again we press shift 7 and on, then press 9, then press shift for one time, second time, third time, fourth time, and the display is showing ROM 504 300 AC. Press AC, then AC. We have to press each and every key one by one. Upper arrow, right arrow. In this case, we have not press on switch in this situation. I repeat, don't press on, otherwise whole process will be restarted again. So we skip on and go for next button.
Invincible.
You can see while we pressing each key, the number is increasing. That means the key are okay. And last of all, 49. The screen is showing test okay, all clear. Thanks for watching.